Dietary tips for managing hiatal hernia and acid reflux. Certain foods can trigger acid reflux and worsen hiatal hernia symptoms. Instead of 3 large meals a day, opt for 5 or 6 smaller meals. This reduces pressure on your lower esophageal sphincter, LES, preventing stomach acid from flowing back into your esophagus. Stay away from spicy foods. Acidic foods and beverages like citrus fruits and tomatoes, fatty and fried foods, caffeine, and carbonated beverages. Choose lean sources of protein: poultry, fish, lean cuts of meat. These are less likely to trigger acid reflux. Foods high in fiber, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, can prevent constipation and relieve hiatal hernia symptoms. Alcohol relaxes the LES and increases the risk of acid reflux, so avoid alcohol. Allow 1 to 2 hours between your last meal and bedtime to give your stomach time to digest. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. But avoid drinking large amounts during meals to prevent increased stomach pressure. Identify specific trigger foods by keeping a food diary. Raise the head of your bed by about 6 to 8 inches to prevent nighttime reflux. Consider adding ginger tea or fresh ginger to your diet. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties and soothes the digestive tract. Choose non-citrus fruits like bananas, apples, pears. Oatmeal is high-fiber food that absorbs stomach acid and eases digestion. Opt for low-fat or fat-free dairy products like yogurt and milk to reduce the risk of aggravating reflux symptoms. Choose whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread over refined grains, which can be harder to digest. Finish your last meal well before bedtime to reduce the risk of nighttime acid reflux. Carbonated beverages increase gas and stomach pressure, leading to acid reflux. Remember, it's important to work with your doctor for personalized dietary recommendations. These tips can help manage hiatal hernia and acid reflux symptoms, reducing discomfort. For more details, connect with Dr. Tulips Tods at 988-613-9999.